Hello everyone, welcome to our final project presentation. Our project is titled The Revenue Protector, Real-Time Slow Risk Detection via AAN Accelerated SmartNICs. While the title contains some heavy technical terms, the core mission of our project is very straightforward. We are building a high-speed, AI-driven security system to keep e-commerce websites running smoothly and protect their revenue. To explain how we do this, I'd like to start with a simple analogy from our everyday lives. Imagine you are checking out at the grocery store during a holiday sale. The store is full of customers ready to buy, but at the front of every checkout lane, there is a person paying exclusively with pennies. They aren't doing anything illegal, but they are deliberately taking 5 minutes to hand over each penny. Because they are holding up the line but never finishing their transaction, normal customers behind them cannot check out. Eventually, real customers get frustrated, leave their items, and walk out. The store loses money not because of a robbery, but because all their checkout lanes were intentionally occupied. This exact scenario happens on the internet, and is called a slow risk attack. Hackers send bots to an online store and start thousands of connections. Instead of completing their request, these bots send data incredibly slowly, just enough to keep the connection alive. The server's checkout lines, its connection pool become completely full. When real customers try to access the site, they just see an endless loading screen or a server error. For an e-commerce business, every minute of downtime directly translates to a massive revenue loss. You might wonder why standard network security doesn't stop this. Traditional firewalls are designed to look for massive surges in traffic, like a huge crowd trying to break down the front door. Because slow risk bots send very little data and move slowly, traditional firewalls see them as normal. Everyday users with a poor internet connection. By the time the software realizes what is happening, the server is already paralyzed. This brings us to our solution. We are deploying an artificial neural network, or AI, directly onto the network card, the SmartNIC. This acts as an intelligent guard right at the front door of the server. Instead of looking at traffic volume, our AI looks at behavior patterns. It analyzes features like the time between packets and connection duration. The moment it recognizes the slow paying customer pattern, the SmartNIC hardware drops the connection instantly at wire speed, completely freeing up the server's processor. In conclusion, our project bridges the gap between hardware acceleration and machine learning to solve a critical business problem. By catching these subtle attacks at the network interface, we ensure zero delay for the main server. We protect the business's revenue stream, and we ensure that everyday users like all of us can shop, browse, and connect online without ever facing a crashed website. Zero delays for customers, zero chances for hackers.